Supermail lets you create, send, and automate personalized emails directly from your Monday.com boards using board data. It's like having a lightweight CRM email engine right inside your workflow. Spotnik, some of the best and thoughtful builders in the Monday.com ecosystem, created this tool, and the founder is a great friend of mine. We're constantly implementing their products across client projects. Today, I'm going to walk you through their newest feature, the HTML email editor inside of Supermail. It's a game changer if you want more control over your email design without leaving Monday.com. Once you're in the Supermail view, go to Create New Template. You'll see two options, the Standard Text Editor and the New HTML Editor. We're going to choose the HTML Editor and click Create Template. From there, building your email is simple. You can drag in headers, dividers, images, text blocks, and even a call to action button. You can fill in each section with your content and adjust styling to match your brand. For an example, I'll add a subject line, drop in a header, upload an image, and paste in some personalized text. You can even map in fields from your board, like first name or company, so each email feels custom without manual edits. Want to change button colors? Easy. Add your link, one click. Once you've styled everything, you can preview your email and run a quick test. I've already set up an automation that sends the email when a status is changed to sent. And just like that, I get the test email in my inbox, ready to go. This new feature unlocks a whole new level of email customization right inside of Monday.com. No need for third-party tools or external email builders. Just build, send, and track all in one place. If you're interested in adding Supermail or other Spotnik tools to your Monday.com setup, click the link below and book a free discovery call. We'd love to help you. Thanks for watching.